Robert Kiyosaki is truly a multi-talented personality. He is an entrepreneur, investor, motivational speaker, author, and also a financial knowledge activist. He is very popular for his series of books called Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. Losers quit when they fail. Winners fail until they succeed. Self-discipline is the number one delineating factor between the rich, the middle class, and the poor. You and only you are responsible for your life choices and decisions. Rich don't work for money. They work for assets. Rich people acquire assets. The poor and middle class acquire liabilities that they think are assets. Financial freedom is available to those who learn about it and work for it. The primary difference between a rich person and poor person is how they manage fear. Remember, your mind is your greatest asset, so be careful what you put into it. Often, in the real world, it's not the smart that get ahead but the bold. Never say you cannot afford something. That is a poor man's attitude. Ask how to afford it. Entrepreneurs don't finish when we are tired. We finish when we are done. Network marketing is the fastest growing business model in the world today. Failure defeats losers. Failure inspires winners. Change your focus from making money to serving more people. Serving people makes the money come in. Don't let the fear of losing be greater than the excitement of winning. Success takes an investment in time, dedication, and sacrifice. This is true education. It is a process. Everyone can tell you the risk. An entrepreneur can see the reward. Schools teach you how to work for money, but don't teach how to make money work for you. Money is not the goal. Money has no value. The value comes from the dreams money helps achieve. Rich people buy luxuries last, while the poor and middle class tend to buy luxuries first. Financial struggle is often the result of people working all their lives for someone else. Don't be addicted to money. Work to learn. Don't work for money. Work for knowledge. Sight is what you see with your eyes. Vision is what you see with your mind. A network marketing business is the perfect business for people who like helping other people. Before you invest in something, invest the time to understand it. The truth is that money doesn't make you rich. Knowledge does. The rich are those who play to win. The middle class plays not to lose. My poor dad often said, "I'd rather be happy than rich." My rich dad said, "Why not be both?" Dreamers dream dreams, and rich people create plans and build bridges to their dreams. Get out of your own way. Often, we're our own worst enemy when working towards our goals. People who dream small dreams continue to live as small people. Successful people don't fear failure, but understand that it's necessary to learn and grow from. Financial freedom is available to those who learn about it and work for it. If you want to be rich, don't allow yourself the luxury of excuses. Every time you quit, someone else gets your prize. Every time you make a mistake, you get closer to yours. If you want to go somewhere, it is best to find someone who has already been there. People's lives are forever controlled by two emotions: fear and greed. The problem with having a job is that it gets in the way of getting rich. A mistake is a signal that it is time to learn something new, something you didn't know before.